Hello guys. In this video, we are going to see how to create a Gmail account without a mobile number. Before that, remember if you're not subscribed, hit that subscribe button and the little bell icon to get notified of whenever I publish a new video. Okay guys, enough intro. Let's do it together. Don't do this method. First, open the YouTube application and then click the profile icon. Click the plus icon. Now click Create Account, and then do by the regular procedure. Scroll down and then click the skip option. Using this method you can create multiple accounts. Okay guys, that's all. If you have any questions or doubt then please comment on them. When you leave, please make sure to like, share, subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.